In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix domain name. Whether you're rebranding your website or just looking to have a more memorable web address, it's crucial to know how to navigate this process effectively. So, let's dive right in and walk you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to Wix.com and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Logging in is the gateway to accessing all of your website settings and functionalities. Once you're logged in successfully, you're just steps away from managing your domain preferences. Next up, you'll need to go to your account settings. To get there, look for the user icon or your profile picture in the upper right-hand corner. It should be there conveniently. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear where you'll see the Account Settings option. Click on that. This section is the powerhouse of your account management. Within Account Settings, you have control over a variety of changes you might wish to make, including domains, subscriptions, and personalized settings that cater to your needs. Now, if you aim to change your Wix domain name, it's essential to understand that you'll need a new domain first. You have two options: buying a new one directly through Wix, or transferring a domain you already own to your Wix account. Buying a domain through Wix is straightforward. They streamline the process by offering available domains that you can purchase in just a few clicks. Alternatively, if you already own a domain from another registrar, Wix allows you to transfer that domain to their platform. Follow their step-by-step instructions for either option to ensure a smooth acquisition or transfer process. Once you've sorted out your new domain, it's time to finalize your changes. Wix typically provides follow-up prompts to confirm any significant changes. These prompts serve as a double check to ensure all your preferences are correctly set. Follow these on-screen prompts carefully until you've reached a successful confirmation page. This step is critical as it finalizes the update, assigning your new domain to your Wix site and making it live to your audience. Changing your domain name can feel like a big step, especially if you're concerned about maintaining your site's search engine rankings and existing web traffic. Remember, when changing domains, it's wise to set up proper redirects from your old domain to the new one to retain SEO rankings and website visitors without a hitch. So, there you have it. You've just learned how to change your Wix domain name. It's a process that's simple, but requires careful attention to detail to ensure that your site remains accessible. Good luck with your website, and feel free to check out more tutorials for other helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy web managing.